Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a deleted document on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and find a deleted document. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp, and we're actually going to go ahead and delete a document just to show and give you an example. So here we have a document. So we're going to click on this document and we're going to call it test, and let's go ahead and delete it. Now, once you've deleted that document, in order to find it, all you've got to do is click on the profile icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click on settings. Then from here, you want to scroll on the left-hand side till you find trash. Now, under trash, if you give it a couple of seconds to load, you should see the document. So you can see it here. Now, in order to recover it, just click on the three dots and then click on restore. It's going to be placed back in the location where it was deleted from. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a deleted document on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.